Greetings and various assorted salutations. Welcome to Fall 2020 on my YouTube channel, Hicks Educator Online. Today, this video is being released on the beginning of the teacher setup for the fall semester. What's definitely going to be one of the oddest semesters that we know of going into it, with all the things going on in the world. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure what the future holds, but in the grand scheme of things, that's just the way things are. The future is always uncertain. It's just that at present, we know that some of the variables and factors are not looking good, or not looking pleasant, to put it mildly. In any case, what does this mean for this channel and my classes? Well, despite the uncertain world, there are a few things we can, take care of. In my classrooms, we are moving dramatically up in technology capacity, which means that this YouTube channel will have quite a few tutorial videos. Over the next few days, a lot of the early videos in spring or fall 2020 will be tech tutorials for students using Canvas, the online learning management system that we'll be using in my classes. Additionally, because they're quite popular, I will include tutorials for other teachers, because I've discovered that one of my things that I've discovered is that if I can teach a concept, make a video on how to do something, it gives me an idea of how well do I understand the concept. So there'll be those videos as well. Also, U.S. History 3 is a new class I'm teaching this semester. Well, it's new for me. And so there'll be some lecture videos on over U.S. History 3 topics, which U.S. History 3 is quite fun. It covers World War II up until yesterday. The last bit of videos that I'll be creating are based on whim and fancy and things that catch my interest for funsy stuff, under the mentality of this is my personal YouTube channel. I use it for educational purposes, but occasionally I use it to try and figure out other fun things, like how to record different things or things that catch my interest. We don't know what fall 2020 holds, but in the grand scheme of things, I can tell you one thing for certain. We're going to be learning a lot about technology. We're going to learn some history, and time will pass. So hopefully it passes safely, and I guess until later.